Hi, and thanks so much for stopping by. So I wanted to talk to you today about the free EarSeeds that you're going to be receiving in the mail. I wanted to tell you what they are, how they work, so that you can get the most out of them to help mitigate your stress or anxiety or pain or weight loss or whatever it is that you're trying to get out of these powerful little pellets. Hi, my name is Tova. I'm an artist, a mom, a wife, the co-founder of EarSeeds.com along with my husband, Ellie. He is a licensed acupuncturist, but together we've been doing this business since 2014. Ellie has grown to become one of the foremost experts and teachers in the modality of ear acupressure, and all of his education happens through ThriveEarSeeds.com. Through EarSeeds.com, we work with the product. So I'm a product designer by trade. I've created all the product with him. This is our little family. We run out of Las Vegas. We have an amazing small team, and we do what we can to help you understand this modality. It's been around forever, and make the most of it. It's really that simple. What's an EarSeed? So an EarSeed is a tiny little acupressure pellet, that little gold ball that sits on the back of a piece of tape that is applied to pressure points on your ear, because the ear is covered in nerve endings. There are 4 major nerves that run across the surface of the ear. You can stimulate them in different combinations in order to send messages to your brain, and then your brain communicates those messages to your body. So if you're having physical pain, for instance, like lower back pain, there is an area of the ear right around here that you would apply your EarSeed, and it aligns with what's going on in the body. So our charts that Ellie designs and I create so that they're easy to follow and correct to create homeostasis. Homeostasis is balance. So if your body's out of balance this way, it'll bring it down. If your body's out of balance this way, it'll bring it up. Historically, people would stimulate the points on the ear with all different materials, whether it was needles or even cauterization. They still use lasers, different ways to stimulate those nerve endings. EarSeeds are simply a non-invasive, easy to use way to stimulate those nerve endings. Plus, if you're using our crystal EarSeeds, they look like earrings. They look super cute. They're a lot of fun to wear, but they're also super powerful.
These pretty little ear pellets relieve my back pain and headaches naturally. EarSeeds are a new functional piece of jewelry that provides pain relief 24/7 just by wearing them. They use a proven form of therapy called ear acupressure, which is natural, safe, and very effective. I've tried everything: physical therapy, painkillers, even surgery, and nothing is working. You simply just place the little pellets in your ear and they immediately start relieving your pain with acupressure. They even come with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. I'm definitely not the only one who's seen amazing results. They've already racked up thousands of 5-star reviews, and I'm one of them. If you struggle with chronic pain, you have to try EarSeeds. I'm still shocked on how well they work.